Assalamualaikum. I am Safia and I am the programmer of this project along with my friend Muhamad Darwish. So we will be representing our friends to present about the badminton club booking system. So let's begin. So before I start, I am presenting about admin's point of view, while Muhammad Darwish will be presenting on user or customer's point of view. So firstly, this is the index page, which is the same as user's point of view. And before we begin, it's very obvious that we cannot use any of the function in the website unless we log in or register. So in this case, we are the admin. So let's log in first. So here in the database is that we have inserted the value of the admin email will be as shown here. So we will log in first, and let's say I will enter the wrong detail, and here will be the validation of the sign-in form. So if I log in with the correct credentials, here we will be redirected into the admin.php. So as you can see here is the home, which is the same, and just because that we are the admin, we cannot make any order or anything. We can just view them. So as seen here is the latest inserted booking detail. So the customer details here is the users or customers who are registered and logged in the website. And here are the database, which is users. And as in here is the same. So let's say if I want to delete, let's say the first user. So let's say yes, and it is now deleted in here. But how about in this database? As seen here is the Ali Abu. If I click refresh, and yes, it has been deleted. So how about booking details? Booking details are the details after customers have made their booking. So there will be ID, the branch, the code, and duration. So Darwish will be presenting the makebooking.php, but here is also the same. So let's say I want to make a new booking because somebody called the badminton club. So this one is Klebang and 2 hours. Okay, let's say if I click Damansara, and let's say I would like first card, duration will be 2 hours, let's say tomorrow on Saturday and 9:50 a.m. And if I add booking, and here is the Damansara and 2 hours. So if I check here in the database, booking, and yes, there will be Damansara for court 1 and for 2 hours. But how about if I want to delete it? If I delete it, then it will be deleted. So here in the booking is already deleted because previously there will be Damansara, and here is only Klebang. So let's proceed with the booking with pay later. Darwish will be explaining on why will customers would like to make order with pay later method. But here, as seen, here will be other bookings that were made by customers with the pay later method. let's say, for example, just to give you an overview, if the customer choose use pay later, and then they will make the order. But unfortunately, we are just admin, so we cannot make a pay later order, booking order. So, okay. As seen here are the status. Pay later is a method that Badminton Club have made just to ease the customers. So if they are recorded here, admin will know whether customers have fully paid or not. So let's see if the branch here, Klebang, is not paid yet, but in Ipoh it's already paid. But what if I want to update that in Klebang it is already updated? So if I click checkbox and I click change status, it will be stating in the status booking is already paid. So let's say whether it is already paid or not. So in here, pay later, yes, it is already paid. What if the employee accidentally made the mistake that actually is not paid yet? So let's say in Damansara, status 1 means it is already paid, but 0 is not. So let's say Damansara, they accidentally key in the wrong status. So if I click change status, and yes, it is not paid yet. But if I click refresh, yes, Damansara is not paid yet. So it is updated successfully. And then for the customer's feedback is because it is only feedback, administrators can only view and not update. Oh, before I forgot, for this one, let's say the administrator wants to delete it. So if they delete the Klebang, just to check, Klebang is still here. If we delete it, and let's say OK. And yes, there is no Klebang. So if we refresh it, there is no Klebang anymore. So it means that the delete button is working successfully. And then, as I've said before, is the customer's feedback, is that admin can only view it. And let's proceed to list of users. So this list of users is actually users that can only search for its full name, either first name or last name. So if let's say I want to search anyone named start with S and here, and then let's say Sarah. So there's 2 Sarah here. But how about, let's say, last name with letter K? So that is here. Or any name with the first name or last name with letter K or H. So it's here. So let's say Cairo, and it's here, and we can view it, the email address. So I guess that is all for me, because I have already showed on adding the booking. And this page is for the gallery, to view the gallery. And the feedback is to insert feedback into the database badminton in feedback table, which is named as contact list. And it also included sent date. So I guess now that I have showed everything in the administrator's page, I can pass to Muhamad Darwish to explain on the users or customers point of view. So just to check, if we log out, and yes, we will be redirected to index.php page.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhamad Fitri bin Zahari, and now I will going to present the demo for our website, and this is for the users. So first of all, the user will be redirect to our homepage, which is index.php. So for new users, they will need to register first. So click register, and they will need to sign up and fill all the details needed. So first, the name, then the email, then the phone number and password. And then after they have registered, they will need to sign in so that they can log in as themselves. Alright, now that we have entered the website, for users, now they can choose to make a booking under the services. So here, user can either check a new promotion, but for now there is no promotion found, or make a booking, or use pay later for booking. So when make a booking, so user can make a booking here. They have two choices, either make a booking or they can pay later. Let's say the user wants to make a booking. So customer will choose the branch, code, and the duration, and then enter the date and time. Okay, now that the customer has made a booking, they can check the details for the booking here at account. So there we go. Okay, and then customer can also check our gallery. After that, customers can also send a feedback. So now we'll do a demo for the feedback. So my name will be Ahmad, put in the email. Then the subject is and then press send. And now the feedback has been sent to the database for the admin to see, so that they can improve the system by reading the feedbacks from the users.